Oh yeah, I see them all.
Puddle.
Get a picture of them.
I'm taking video of it.
A video of it?
Yeah. Mommy wants to see what Morgan's going to do with the puddle.
Okay, look out.
Watch the car. Move over, Ryan.
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, he's moving fast.
Yeah. Then they got pine cones.
Oh yeah, this is the houses, all the pine, hundreds.
It goes this way all the way back this way.
Hi. This way, Mommy has to come back up the driveway. Yep.
That's the girl.
Yeah.
Hey, a pothole.
Yeah. At the end of your driveway.
Where are you going?